Thanks for your recent purchase of our Raindrip automatic watering kit. Installation of this kit should only take about 20 minutes. We have also provided a link that will show you how to program the timer if you need it. Let's get started with the installation. The timer that comes in this kit requires water pressure greater than 25 psi. That means you cannot use this timer to control water flow from, say, a rain barrel. Additionally, this timer must be installed on an above-ground hose bib. Do not install it on a hose or location where the timer will be laying on the ground. First, you need to locate the hose bib that is near the area you want to water. Next, take the timer and hold it up to the hose bib with the metal collar inlet in line with the outlet of the hose bib. Hand tighten the collar onto the hose bib until the timer is securely connected. Do not over-tighten the collar. Now that the timer is in place, screw on the supply tubing. This kit includes all the parts that you will need to make a completely customized drip irrigation system for your potted plants. Elbows and T's allow you to make the necessary turns to reach all of your plants. 75 feet of 1/4-inch tubing is included with this kit. The easiest way to install this kit is to slowly unroll the tubing as you place it at the base of each of the containers you want to water. Run tubing to the farthest container. Nails and clamps have also been included if you want to run tubing along the covered patio to water hanging plants. Remember to save enough tubing to extend a branch to the inside of each container. Beginning at the last container, use scissors or a hose cutter to cut the supply tubing where you want the tubing to run to the plants. Firmly press an elbow into the supply tubing. The tubing should be pressed down onto both barbs of the fitting. Leaving the tubing in the sun for 15 minutes prior to installation will soften the tubing and will make inserting the fittings much easier. Measure the amount of tubing needed to reach from the elbow to your plant. Measure, cut, and connect the tubing. Now that the tubing is inside the container, insert one of the supplied drippers into the end of the tubing. Drippers emit water at a rate of ½ gallon per hour. Next, place the dripper onto one of the stakes and place the stake so the water drips in the desired location. Move to the next container and repeat the steps using the supplied T's and remainder of the tubing. Sometimes you may need more supply tubing or drippers. You can find those by visiting Raindrip.com. We have also provided a quick watering guide that can help you select the right number of feeder lines for each plant type. This type of system is not designed to have more than a total of 75 feet of tubing. No more than 20 1/2 gallon per hour drippers or a total of 10 gallons of water per hour can flow through the system. You can continue to add additional plants to your system until you reach these limits. So that's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at Raindrip@Raindrip.com. For more than 30 years, Raindrip, a subsidiary of NDS, has been a leader in efficient irrigation solutions for the residential market. For more information on our products, other efficient irrigation products, and special offers, visit Raindrip.com.